and he basically told me in one of our status calls that he was basically really kind of blown away by Replit. And that's not an uncommon reaction, right? It can do some pretty amazing things from a single prompt. But I'm interested to hear what your experience has been, or if you haven't had a chance to get in yet, if you have any questions about it or anything that I can help you with. So why don't we just kick it off? Who wants to go first?
I can be first, maybe. From my side, I tested Replit to create, and maybe I can share my screen.
Sure.
From my side, I decided to create an education ERP system for teachers
Nice.
who to help them to let's say I forgot this word, how to manage their lessons and lesson plans. So I was pretty wonder that it creates really good design.
Yes.
That's not my idea. I can say that I already thought about it like years ago, that will be good
Oh,
to
yeah.
make such a pet project, to make
Mhm.
such ERP system, because I already discussed it with one of the teachers. It's my first teacher in
Oh,
the
yeah.
school. And
Great.
after that, yeah, she described me some problems which she have when she need to prepare to the lesson, and it takes so much time. And also, will be good to have a tool which will help her to communicate with parents, to have all lessons, and do not do the same
Mhm.
job every time, every year, let's say.
Right.
So we had a similar request from one of the clients, and it was interesting for me to explore how Replit could do this, because we already made some estimations for a similar project,
Oh,
and
yes. Mhm.
that's awesome that from one prompt it makes really close
Mhm.
MVP, which we estimated.
Yeah.
It took
Oh, wow.
much more
Mhm.
less time rather than we estimated. Yeah, of course, we had to do it manually and write all the codes and all the preparations, but still, um,
Yes.
most of the features which she requested are here. So, for example, the calendar, where for now filtering is not working,
Mhm.
but still it works and it looks not bad. When you can
Mhm.
create a lesson from the calendar, that's also a good thing. From dashboard, yeah, one of the main features is a generator, where you can create this lesson plan for each subject and grade level. And yeah, I think that it is a mix of AI and Replit, so it's really cool. Yeah, I think that we will see more similar applications where you have implemented AI inside the app or ERP system, which helps you to manage your data. So yeah, looks really, really nice.
That's impressive.
Yep.
Yeah. How long did it take you to
Uh,
do that?
just like a 15 minutes, maybe 20.
Right, right, right.
Wait,
Yeah.
yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good place to for example, because that's a real world example that the client, for example, wants to see some working prototype, and
Yes.
it will be easier for her, as she is not technical person, to understand how it will look like and how these
Yeah.
features can work. So yeah, maybe we will try to use this, at least for discussions before
Yes.
starting our development,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
maybe we'll use Replit to create some working MVP for her.
Hmm.
And it will be
Yes.
easier for her for sure to understand which features she still needs and what could be improved, even on the prototype and design stage. So
Yes.
yeah,
Wonderful. This looks
yeah,
great.
yep,
Yeah,
yep,
I really
yep.
like it.
Really nice, really nice, really
Yeah.
nice.
This is what I love about the state of AI right now, and Replit in particular. It's kind of mind blowing, right? That you get this in one prompt and, 15 minutes of basically AI compute time, right? Like it thinks and does stuff like this. So yeah, that's amazing. And I love your use case, right? Like you can use this to quickly spin up a prototype or a proof of concept that you can, I mean, it's really a borderline MVP that you can share with your clients to help really dial it in. um, this is such a big change because normally you have to spend, weeks or months or who knows how long. Maybe you just do wireframes first, and it's kind of hard to imagine what it would look like in a real system. And with this, you get the real thing pretty much. But for me, what that means is that you're going to wind up basically doing a better job for your clients. Like there's going to be an earlier and better feedback loop from them. And
Sure.
yeah, and then the iteration, like the speed of revisions, will be faster potentially, so you can really refine it. You can really dial in that feedback a lot more effectively than if you had to do everything the old school way, right? Well, all right,
Maybe
who's going to go
let's I
next?
continue. Okay, let's
Sure,
about
sounds
me.
good. Very good.
Okay,
Good.
my idea it was about some helper for pet owners, because I have a cat, and I guess it was a good idea to create something like this. Wait a second, I will share you. Basically, I used ChatGPT to create some perfect prompts, what we need, and get some statistics from the network, what common things we need to track our pets, and based on one prompt and another prompt, like a feature, we have something like this dashboard where we could see our pets, and on the future we could add some maybe premium features for this one. And it's like we could track location of our pets if we will sell on our future some chips or tags to track it.
Nice.
Also, yeah, we could connect smart home for our pets, especially if we would like to go to vacation, but pets already at home. We could open the door to go walk and other things with our home kit or another smart home devices. And yeah, it's very powerful thing that we could do for 20 minutes, and it's very nice. Also, we could connect something like pets social network with pet owner community, and we could create some posts, and maybe something about British cats, and we could get some useful info from other owners. And it was created by AI, and now we don't need to think about business logic and about the market, because we could get info what market wants, and combine it by one prompt, and the application where everything is in one place. And yeah, it's very powerful, and
Yeah, I
Yeah,
like
and
it so
yeah.
much. It's like a Facebook. Love
yeah,
Yeah,
that.
that's right.
but for pets,
Yes.
also idea that ChatGPT proposed me, it's like some helps in we could find emergency for pets. You could find a pet sitter, for example, if you want to go
Cool.
vacation, and a lot of useful stuff. Yeah, and also we could extend this, maybe provide some premium plans, like I don't know, like maybe sell some devices. Pet Link, it's a good name for a device.
Also,
Yeah.
it's like a
Yeah,
great tool.
like
You can,
AirTag, but it's Pet Link.
yeah, but also you can integrate it for, for a map, and you can find some hotels that accept, dogs or cats when you're traveling. I like it so much. It's so
Yeah,
much.
also we could connect some clinics, and by the
Yeah,
premium we
Mhm.
could have online doctors that could answer for your questions, what happens with your pets, and yeah, it's very nice.
I love that.